Hi, this is Bassam Talib, founder of Stacks. Now I'm going to show you how to build a native mobile application connected with your WooCommerce and WordPress that Stacks have built. Stacks have built the new mobile application drag and drop builder, which is called Bricket. I'm totally excited to show it to you. So let's start the free trial. First, I need to sign up with an account. Okay. Let's say this is my email, my dummy email we used in this video. I'm going to register my account. So I have two options. First option is to connect to my WordPress website and add the plugin to be connected to, or just connect to the demo website for the sake of testing and see the capabilities of the builder and how it works. So let's for now just connect to the demo website. Okay, now everything is created. I need to log into the builder. Let's add. Okay, so now I'm logged in. I need to add the application name, the package name. You can leave everything as this. This is dummy for testing. You can add the icon, the splash screen, and then click next. After that, you need to choose the template to start with. This is a pre-made template. We have more than 20 templates to connect with. So let's say we're going to choose this template. So, and now the website is connected to, as you see, is connected to demo.stacksclients.com. Everything in this demo is configurable and changeable. You can change anything. So for the first section, this is a header, for example. You can add an image header or just a color. If you'd like to add a color, this is a background color header, for example, or the image header. You can change the style of the headers, the icons. You can change the icons, change the logo. You can change everything actually. This is an image block. You can change it whenever you want. You can change the place of this section or the block. And let's say I'm going to make the categories above the this image, and I can change this image. I can change the text here, change the styling of the text. I can make it italic, for example. I can change the style of the fonts and so on. And this is the categories that I have. Maybe I can change the limit of the categories. If I have more categories, they will appear here. As you can see, this is a slider block where you can see the different slides and the products and the style of the products as well. And you can change the position of the elements. So, for example, I can reduce the limits of the latest products. Let's say I need just only 2 products. You'll see just 2 products. Or you can change the style of it. Instead of grid, we can have a carousel and increase the limit so that you can swipe to see the elements. And this is image GIF. You can add videos, you can add everything, anything you want. Also, you can add a section, which is a very interesting part. This section can be 2 columns, for example, and I can make the background, let's say, red. I can make it full width and add, okay, let's say I'll add an image. This image will be dropped in the section here, and text, let's say text in another section. That's it. After I'm done, I'll just click the update button. If you'd like to be connected to your website instead of the demo, you can just click on the connectivity tab, and you can just add your website here and click connect, and it will be connected. But for the sake of testing, I'll stick to the demo website. Anytime you would like to choose another template, you can go here and choose the other templates. And once you are done, I'll not choose another one because it will delete what I've done here. But once, as you can see, everything is here already. Once you are done, I can go to the Android build tab and start building my Android version. Okay, let's say version 1.0. Okay, and then I'm going to generate an application. This usually takes no more than 3 minutes to be built, and the Android application will be generated and ready. The APK file will be ready, and the AAB file as well, so that you can upload it to Google Play Store. This is not everything, actually. If you'd like, after the build is done, what if you'd like to change anything? Do you need to build again? Actually, the good news is that you don't need to make a new build in order to see what you have done in the application. Just you need to go here and change whatever you want at any time, and it will be displayed on the mobile application for all your customers without the need to make a new application. So, for example, if I make latest categories and then I click update, okay, this is done in the application as well. You don't need to make a new build. Also, navigating through the builder itself, as you can see, is very smooth. Everything is easily navigated through the builder. The user experience itself, we took a great care of the user experience and how the builder is done, so that you don't need to refresh the screen every time you need to do something. And you can go to the settings anytime you want and change the name. If you have changed the name of the application, then you need to make a new build. But rather than this, I don't believe that a new build will make any other difference. So the application is generated 100%. Now you can either download the application through a QR code or download it from this button, download APK, and install it on your phone. So I believe the rest is just editing the sections and blocks according to what you need, and this is done in less than 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you testing soon. Have a nice day.